Hey Rufus, so this is your Facebook page. Doesn't look like you got a whole lot going on here, but I was able to find your website. Go into your website. Looks like you don't have too much content here. Google loves content. The more content, the better. Looks like you got 307 words of content there. Uh, get 1,500 probably. The more you have, the better. You can never have too much. Then going down here, also saving your picture. Let's see what it's saved as. Um, Obviously, you want to say this is a keyword, so you'd want to do carpet cleaning, Detroit, Michigan, or New Boston, Michigan, because that's a keyword you would want to rank for. Um, and then going to Google, typing in carpet cleaning, Detroit, Michigan. First, there'd be ads here. Then you got the Google Map Pack. Then you got organic ranking. Going down here to your competitor, Capital Carpet Cleaning and Flood.com. Going here, we can see how much. They don't have too much content either. It looks like they got a little more content than you. They have 981 words, so 1,500 words should do fine. You could easily do 2,000. 2,000, double it, and that would definitely help you in your ranking and to be able to outrank this guy. Let's see what his image is saved as. It's just building. Yeah, he doesn't have his keywords saved for images either. Another tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Go in here. This is your website. Looks like you got 28 backlinks, 7 referring domains. Not bad start. You only got 10 keywords that Google has found. So you definitely want to add a lot of keywords there to your website. You do that by adding content and saving pictures with keywords in the save. You got 12 and 17, not too bad to start. You can go here and look at your keywords, what you're ranking for. Everything is all star, has star in it, as well as you're not even ranking that high for it. And you get no traffic from it at all. Going out to check out your competitor, he doesn't have anything for backlinks or basically nothing. His DR is, basically nothing. But he does have 42 keywords that he's ranking for. So it's super easy to beat him in backlinks. Let's see what his keywords look like. Carpet cleaning Detroit, 250 people searched that a month. 2KD, super easy to rank for. 2KD it's a breeze. He gets 34 people a month from it. Position 2. Carpet cleaning Detroit, Michigan, 100 people search for that. So this is actually a better keyword, just Detroit. It's 2KD as well. And he gets 23 people. He's ranked number 1 from that. So super easy. You can, man, there's some really, these are all just slight variations, but I mean this, 250, 350, 550, 610, 640, 700, 720. This 60, this 28 KD right there. That plus it's Michigan. Definitely not go for that one, but all these other ones, I mean, easily 600 plus search volume a month. And you can get quite a bit of traffic from that. I mean, you can already see this guy has, 100, probably about 100. Let's go 80 just from these top 3 right here. But yeah, 2KD, very easy to get. Definitely put these keywords in your content. Save your pictures as these keywords. Don't keyword stuff. So you don't want to have 1,000 keywords, in 1,000 words. You want to have about one every 100 words. And it wants to, it has to be fluent and like Google's smart. They know if you keyword stuffing, so you don't want to do that. But this is an incredible to go for. KD, I mean, this is going to boost your business if you do this. You definitely want to focus on this because that's insane. 2KD is very easy to rank for. Next thing, going for Google My Business. It's free to do, free to set up. I'm assuming you service Detroit because it's pretty close to New Boston. But anyways, Google My Business. You can go to whitespark.ca. and you can see this person, top one in Google My Business, 20 citations. You can easily get 100 citations. Definitely go for 100. You could get, I mean, you'd do fine with 40, but it's not hard to do. Just takes time. I'd easily go for 100, not 200, as many as you want. You can just come in here, see what citations he has, copy his citations, and get them yourself. You can also Google, get a whole bunch of citations. They're all out there. There's a whole bunch of free ones. Some cost money, but you can easily get 100 citations that are free. You can get 200 easily. It just takes some time. Anyways, yeah, there's kind of crazy the KDs that you can get out there. I would absolutely, spend some time getting your those keywords in your content, updating your content, and saving the images the correct way. But yeah, you're welcome to take your time. You're welcome to take those tips, do whatever you want with them. If you want, we can schedule a Zoom call. We can go over stuff and see where you want to go from there. If not, have a good rest of your day.